Hello everybody and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on Friday the 25th of November 2022. Let's see how markets are ticking away as we approach midday here in Europe. We can see here Bitcoin pretty much flat for the week, if truth be told. I was starting to see some form of wedge pattern being created against those lows and starting to see some heaviness with the price action, but once again this week has held quite strong at that 15,500 handle, and that trend line, we tried to break out of there yesterday, but to be honest it's been really quiet. Yesterday's doji bar just epitomizing really how quiet it has been. You can see the trading range plus the doji closed flat, and today really was still trading within the previous bar's range, so not much there at the moment if you're looking for a potential breakout. But as we know, when Bitcoin does spend its time ranging like this, or contracting as so with the doji bar yesterday, it does generally suggest there's something on the horizon with the price action breakout. We can see Ethereum as well has been able to trade back above the 1185 handle, albeit yesterday, or so far today, in fact, we just dipped back below there. That's the key line in the sand now. That's the midpoint of the range from 1280 down to 1070, and I'll be keeping an eye on this level moving forward. Below here, basically a short-term bearish into 1070. Above here, holding above here, short-term bullish into 1280. If we're talking purely price action here and we don't have any more major news that's going to push cryptos down, and by that I mean anything related to a more hawkish Fed, anything related to further FTX fallout, another large company showing signs of trouble, Genesis, Grayscale, etc. They're all, being talked about at the moment, but that's all it's got to. But another one of them collapses and you're going to see the next leg down in cryptos for sure. Looking at Litecoin, you can see we talked about that spike earlier on in the week and a potential fade back lower after that strong momentum, and that's what we've got so far, as you can see here. So we hit an area just around 80, weren't able to hold above there, and we're dropping below the 75 handle now. You can see some highs back here, so a bit of price interaction over the past few months around this area. If that doesn't hold, then we'll be targeting a move all the way back down into the 60 region. Last but not least, let's take a look at Ripple and where we're trading here. We're at 40 cents on the dot right now as we speak. So that's a key level. We talked about 40 being a psychological handle. We've had quite a nice run this week on Ripple. Basically green every single day. This will be the 5th green day in a row. We haven't seen that since back in the start of October, so that would be pretty positive, especially if they can close above the 40 cents, and particularly the 0.3870. We saw some resistance at 0.3870, but after the daily close above yesterday, can they continue to build momentum and get through to the 0.4445 heading into next week? That's a wrap for today. There's no major Bitcoin or crypto news to bring you, so I'll wrap things up on that note for this week. Hope you all have a great day trading. See you all soon, and bye for now.